The last video that I did, I showed what it took to take the shafts out of the back of a Gladiator or a Jeep or whatever. I mean, this happens to be a Gladiator, but any Dana 44 or the new style that's in the new Rubicons. I said I didn't have at the time the new shafts, so I just replaced them with new OEM shafts. So over here I have, this is the original shaft that I took out. This is the long side and this is the short side. So this is the new short side chromoly shaft from Yukon. Now what this shaft actually is this, I could find, without being backwatered, I could find the long side chromoly shaft. And that wasn't a problem to find. I was able to order that and get that. What I could not find was the short side. Doing a little research, I looked up and all the specs look the same from a short side Rubicon shaft to the regular non-wide track Dana 44 that's in the new Jeeps. So the new rear 44 that's not a wide track, not a Rubicon, they seem to be the same size. So I found one on sale that was in stock. I ordered it and we're going to test it out. And that would be a real help for other people if you can just order this shaft that is just out of a non-Rubicon to fit the short side, so the driver's side of the Jeep. Now, one thing I forgot to do, I have to pull the race out. Came out easy. I have not put in the studs yet into this shaft because I wanted to see if it fits first, and then I'll take it back out and put the studs in. If it does fit, no problem. But I don't see why it wouldn't fit at this point in time. Everything looks the same, and I'll post up some pictures as well as a comparison of the short side shaft to the non-Rubicon shaft. They're the same 32 spline. It's chromoly. It's I'm comparing it to what is the long side shaft for the Rubicon. I see no differences in its build or its construction or its width. Everything looks the same. So let's try and put this in and see what happens. And again, I didn't put the studs in this. And as I suspected, it fits. No issue. It goes right in. It fits just fine. I'm going to go through and now install the studs in here because it's a fit. That was a concern in the beginning. Would this thing fit? But it does. So now that gives everyone an option for the driver's side. It's the same shaft as the non-Rubicon Dana 44. Everything fits. It's the same size. It has tone rings. Obviously, I'll test it out on the road afterwards, see if there's anything else. But as far as I can tell, it is exactly the same shaft.